it's Lisa here. I'm just coming in to share with you some journaling that I've been doing. Let's just look at my full moon in Aquarius card spread. So for this I was using my Dreaming Way card deck, and these are the cards that I pulled, so I'm going to talk you through them. So this is me just having fun with my inner child and using a card spread. Let's just show you my inner child. She's in here somewhere. See if we can find her. There she is. I put her on a throne. There's a story about the castle. If you did my You Got the Love 30 Days, you'll know why. But she's on her little throne, and we're just helping her tap into joy and abundance and access all the things that actually she deserves but doesn't know that she does, bless her. So let's go back to our spread for the full moon in Aquarius. So these are the cards that we were pulling. We were doing how can I best spark my curiosity? What unique gifts do I have to offer to the world? How can I best bring thoughtful changes into my life? How can I grow and expand my connections? What do I need to release to be more independent? And how can I best develop my charisma? So the first cards I pulled were Child and Lilies. So you can see those here. Let's bring those in here. And in response to the question, how can I best spark my curiosity? Well, our curiosity and creativity lies within our inner child. And the lilies were just about being gentle and soft and having that childlike wonder, returning to innocence. So that was a nice message, wasn't it? That was the first one. And then, just bear with me, it's quite difficult to hold the camera and do this at the same time. And then the second one, so the Aquarius full moon was all about releasing your wild self and celebrating what makes you unique. The second question was, what unique gifts do I have to offer to the world? And I pulled the bear, so let's grab the bear so we can see him fully in colour. So I've got this little printer, it's called a pulley printer, and basically you take a photo of the card and then you can print it off in black and white, and it's connected to my phone, and it's it doesn't use any ink, so it's like printing a receipt when you buy something in a shop and you get a receipt. It's the same kind of mechanism. So my gifts to offer the world are my strength and power, my confidence and wisdom, safety and security, protection and authority. They're all the things that the bear represents. And actually 5 and 1 makes 6, and 6 is the energy of love. And that is love, isn't it? That is how our inner child would have been loved by a healthy parent. They would have protected us, they would have stepped into their authority, they would have been confident in their ability, shared their wisdom with us, and they would have made us feel safe and secure. And then that would have enabled us to step into our power. So let's do the next one. This one seemed like a funny one, but I don't really know if it resonated with me. How can I best bring thoughtful changes? Let's just move that across there. Thoughtful changes into my life. So number 3 was the man. And this was talking about romance and commitment and soulmate. Let's just pop that there. But actually, I think this card also represents a mentor, a guide, someone who's observing you, but not judging you, just curious and helping you grow. And that was how can I best bring thoughtful changes into my life. I was talking to my friend the other day about getting a new business coach. Obviously, I've got my therapist who's a mentor, but you can't put a price on having someone like that, a different pair of eyes, someone who gets it, someone who's on your team, someone that sees things that you don't see. So maybe that was the mentor card. And then number four was the dog. What was the question for number 4? How can I grow and expand my connections? Let's grab the doggy. Let's grab him. There he is. Such a cute card. This was about devotion, friendship, loyalty, trust. I put Mo there because Mo's the little dog that I look after. And that special bond. So actually it's time to start trusting, I think, and letting new people into my life. I don't know what that's bringing up for you. And then number 5, sorry. What do I need to release to be more independent? So full moons are always about letting go and releasing. Now what I got for that was quite interesting. Oh, hang on, let me just grab it. I got the sun, but the sun was reversed. And the sun represents hope and optimism, time to shine your light, clarity, energy, inspiration and success. And my card for number 6 was the garden reverse. Let's just grab that one as well. And that was about community and doing things together with a community that you enjoy. Like the point of community isn't just the coming together of people, but it's about enjoyment. But both of those were in reverse, which means the energies are stuck. And I think I'm letting go of playing small and being fearful and not being seen. And in turn, that will help me find my community. Because how can you find your tribe? How can you find your people if you don't show the world who you really are? And then that's the whole reading, isn't it? Examine your wild inner self, celebrate what makes you unique. So I thought I'd share that with you. And I love to journal with my inner child. Let's just pop those over there. It is literally just getting your felt tip pens out and colouring in and just being with yourself. And see that shine bright like a diamond keeps coming through. And friendship, look, the connection. And it really, oh look, there she is. There's my inner child. That's my nanny there. There you go. And the trust. So that's what's trying to come through. Trying to help her open her heart and let go. Yeah, so if you'd like to journal along with your inner child and do the same sort of thing, we won't be using cards, but I'll be using creative exercises that I used to do with the kids that I worked with when I was coaching children. We're going to be looking at boundaries, relationships, how to feel safe and grounded. We're also going to be looking at just connecting to your inner child. We're actually going to, there's a technique for drawing with your non-dominant hand to connect in with your inner child. So yes, and that was me measuring. When I start, I can't show you that page because it's got people's names on it. But when I launch a new program, I colour in a heart for each person that joins. Oh look, there's my Johnny Depp journaling. Yes, so it's a really good, fun thing to do, and it gets you in touch with your inner child, and it gets you in touch with she holds your joy, your creativity, your expanded mind, your open heart, your innocence, but she also holds your pain. But through journaling like this, you can release all that pain onto the page and set yourself free. So I shall leave a link here for you, and I hope you'll join us. I look forward to seeing you in my connectivity and creativity workshop for your inner child. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.